Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the HP model and the exact Windows 11 build so you know firmware quirks. Next, locate the Bitlocker recovery key in your Microsoft account on a USB drive or a printed copy. This is essential. If you don't have it, pause and use another device to sign into your Microsoft account. Make sure you have administrator access to the laptop. Once done, power on the HP and enter the recovery screen to be ready for the next steps. Now type the Bitlocker recovery key at the prompt to unlock the drive. This is the fastest fix. If the key is rejected, reboot and enter HP UEFI/BIOS to verify TPM is enabled and secure boot isn't blocking decryption. Make changes, save, and retry. If the system still refuses, boot from Windows 11 Recovery Media, choose Troubleshoot, then Command Prompt. From there, use Manage BDE commands to suspend, unlock, or decrypt the volume. Make sure to document any errors you encounter. After you unlock the drive, suspend Bitlocker and immediately back up the recovery key to your Microsoft account and a USB. Redundancy prevents repeat lockouts. Then decrypt fully with Manage BDE/off for the OS volume, or perform a reset while keeping files if decryption stalls. Finally, re-enable Bitlocker with a fresh TPM bind and back up multiple key copies. If the drive still fails to unlock or shows hardware errors, stop and consult professional data recovery. Trying more fixes risks permanent data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.